Samuel. So I was not able to find your website or a Facebook page for you, but you said you service the Williamton, North Carolina area. So I went flooring contractors, Will, Willing, Wilmington, North Carolina. Sorry, I couldn't say that for some reason. First, you notice generally ads pop up here first, and then you got the Google Map pack. And scrolling down, these are just directories, but come down here to this guy. It looks like he's the #1 ranking guy for that. Go into his website. You'll see his website. It doesn't have a lot of content. He only has 387 words. So you'd want to have probably 1,000 words. I like to keep it at least 1,000. But you just want to beat your competition. And then another thing is we can come down and look at these images. You want to make sure you save your images. I don't know if you have a website or not, but if you do, or if you make one, you want to make sure you have your images saved as a keyword. So down here, you'd want this to be flooring contractors, Wilmington, North Carolina, or whatever keyword you want to be ranking for. A tool I like to use is Ahrefs. So we toss this guy in here. You'll notice he has 176 backlinks, 20 referring domains. That's basically Google builds your trust and your popularity with that. He just has a 15 UR but 0 DR. So he might not have the best backlinks here. You want to make sure you get ones that are relevant to your service or your industry. So we'd want to come in here and we'd want to grab the good ones he has that are relevant to what you do. We also want to make sure we don't get any of the spammy ones. We don't want to get low numbers. We want to just get the higher, better ones. And then we can go out to all kinds of other competitors and grab all the good ones. You can get them either with guest posts, blogs. You can sponsor to get them. There's plenty of different ways you can get them. And that'll just help you with ranking. That's a pretty big factor when it comes to ranking on Google. We can go see what keywords he has. You'll see his the one he gets the most traffic from is Paradise Floorer, but that's his name brand. So, but we would want to come for this one's got 28 KD. It's got a high volume, but 28 KD, it's going to be harder to rank for that one. But we would want to come in here like this hardwood flooring, Wilmington, North Carolina, at 80 volume, 7 KD. It would take you some time to rank for that, but it's not too bad. 7, you can rank for 7 pretty well. But we'd come down and would find ones that are really nice. This one, I like this one. It sticks out. Bathroom remodeling. I don't know if you do bathroom remodeling or not, but if you did, you'd want to have this on your website, in your content or in a image saved, because it's got 150 people search that a month, and it's a 2 KD. 2 KD is pretty easy to rank for. Kitchen remodeling also has 70 people and 2 KD, and we just come in here and we grab the ones that we like. And even this 20, I don't. He probably service Goldsboro, but if you don't, then obviously we wouldn't grab that. But we want to get all the ones that have low KD and decent volume. Generally, the top place gets about 1/3 of the volume. He can convert 1/3 of the volume kind of goes to the top person generally. So there's plenty here to work with. Flooring installation, Relay. I don't know if that's near you, but here's another kitchen remodeling, Wilmington. Doesn't have the NC here, so there's plenty of them in here that we could get. There's another one right there. Laminate flooring. That's got 16. We could get it. It'd just take a little bit of time. But yeah, we can come in here and grab all the ones that we want. We can go look for other keywords. There's plenty of ways to do that. The next thing is the Google Map Pack. First and foremost, you want to make sure, I don't know if you have it yet, but you want to set one up. It's free to do. Make sure you get it 100% set up. You don't want to skip any steps. You wanted that progress bar to be 100%. Then for content, when it comes to the GMB, you want it's photos. Photos give you the content, so you want to make sure that you add as many photos as you can, beat your competitors. And then you want to make sure you get citations. Tossing this guy, he only has 7 citations. Citations are just directories. You go there to fill out the name on your Google Map pack, as well as the phone number you use there and the location. There's thousands of citations out there, directories. Some of them cost money, but a lot of them are free. So we just go grab all the ones we want. You know, this guy only has 7, so you don't need too many, but I mean, you could easily grab 100. It's not too hard to grab them. It's time consuming. That's all it takes. Then you can get ranked on the Google Map pack. So yeah, I hope that helps, and you're welcome to do whatever you want with that information. If you want, we can set up a call to talk more. Otherwise, I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.